Welcome back to Askademic, beginner level English course, section 3, the inquisitive guest. Do you know what inquisitive means? Inquisitive means asking a lot of questions. Help wanted. What does help wanted mean? Help wanted means looking for someone to work a job. Cashier is a job. Very good. Let's get started. Jobs. What is her job? She's a manager. What is his job? He's an astronaut. What is her job? She's a teacher. What is his job? He's a scientist. Very good. Let's read. This is Harry. He is 44 years old. He is from Canada. His hobbies are fishing, writing, and eating hot dogs. His best friend is Tom. Tom is 45 years old today. Tonight, Harry is at Tom's house. It's Tom's birthday today, and there is a big party. Read Harry's conversations at the party. Hello, I'm Harry. Am I late? Hello, Harry. No, you aren't late. It's 8 o'clock. Are you a teacher? No, I'm not. Are you a publisher? No, I'm an actress. Hello, I'm Harry. Hello, Harry. I'm Carol. Are you happy? Yes, it's a great party. Are you a publisher? No, I'm an actress. Oh, Sasha's an actress too. Yes, she's my sister. Very good. Let's continue. Hello, I'm Harry. Are you an actress? Hello, Harry. I'm not an actress. I'm a hairstylist. Oh, really? My hairstylist's name is also Hillary. That's incredible. Bye. Hello, I'm Harry. Are you an actress? An actress? I'm a man. No, I'm a publisher. Are you? Are you really? Yes, I am. I'm very happy to meet you. I have a novel. Good job. Questions. Is Harry happy to meet Stephen? Why? Yes. Stephen is a publisher. Harry has a novel. Harry thinks Stephen may help him publish his novel. Do you remember all the jobs? Write them down in your notebook. What is a guest? Is it a person? Yes. A guest is a person who comes to visit us at our home. Do you remember what inquisitive means? Does an inquisitive person ask a lot of questions? Did you ever meet someone who asked too many questions? Try telling your friend in English what happened when you met an inquisitive person. Wonderful! Look at Harry's questions at the party. Am I late? No, you're not late. Are you a teacher? No, I'm not. Are you happy? Yes, it's a great party. How do we make questions using the verb to be? Complete. Am I happy? Yes, I am happy. Are you hot or cold? I am cold. Is he your brother? Yes, he is my brother. Is she your sister? Yes, she is my sister. Are we all here? Yes, we are all here. Are they all here? Yes, they are all here. Are they the Beatles? Yes, they are the Beatles. Excellent. Fill in the sentences. Are you a teacher? No, I'm an actress. Is your father at the party? No, he's at home. Are you always early for your English class? Yes, I am always early for my English class. Is she tall or short? She is tall. Am I next for the doctor? Yes, You are next for the doctor. Are they your brothers, John? Yes, they are my brothers. Let's play a game. Games can help us retain. I will show you a picture. Can you guess? Astronaut. Baker. What does a baker make? A baker makes cakes. Do you know? What is this job? Firefighter. What does a firefighter do? A firefighter puts out fires. Good job. Let's practice speaking. What are they? They are teachers or they are scientists. What is her job? She's an actress. What is his job? He's a doctor. Who is she? She's the patient. Who are they? They are brothers. Where are they? They are at the beach. Do you like to go to the beach? What can we do at the beach? We can swim at the beach. Very good. You're doing great. When we come back, Section 4. See you soon.